Look at the fireworks.
Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbors go. That's right! This is Halloween. In this world we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin soul.
And now, our disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
Vigilance and poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Cruella de Vil, if she doesn't scare the evil thing will. To see her is to take a sudden dread. Cruella de Vil, like a spiral full of care. Cruella de Vil. Trust in me. So choose us before your eyes shall see the multiply. Elephants on parade, here they come, they're here. Elephants everywhere. Elephants on parade.
like they have fireworks going off
Now,
like on
who
the
could that
castle,
be?
in front of it.
Happy Halloween!
Hey, can you record this one?
Why, the Sea Witch.
And I'll record
So
this one.
glad you could plop in.
This is
What's that?
yes. It's such a wicked time.
Burn your arm? Yeah, that's how it was.
I had just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas and
We can walk that way, and you can get Beast's castle right behind it.
Max Laryngitis, portrait to me. Now sing!
Oh, I can't do it in mine.
Trick or treat! It is I, Jafar! I'm sure you wouldn't dream of something to fun without me!
Why, you're dead right.
Well, let me treat you all to a little sorcery! You call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, what have you here? A trick-or-treater? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. We missed that. We said that to the you better pay attention now.
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the dead!
Cool. Oh, those are awesome.